Oh, thank God you're here.
Oh, no worries, ma'am. Now, let's get in there and we'll see what the problem is.
Yeah, come in. So you think you can, oh, well, really appreciate you coming here and helping me out.
Ah, no problem. So, we talking about a clog?
Yeah, yeah, it's a pretty deep one. It's been clogged for years. So, you think you can help?
Yes, sir. I think I can. So, what are you doing for maintenance?
Well, I've mostly been seeing to things myself.
I see. Now, this is just my professional opinion, but self-care doesn't do much unless it's by the book.
Yeah, I know.
When was the last time you went to confession?
Oh, man, wow.
Do you have a rosary?
Yeah, of course I got a rosary. Here, let me show you.
Here's your problem. The whole front's missing. It's all Our Fathers and Hail Marys.
I mean, isn't that enough? I thought the most important thing was keeping Jesus Christ in your heart.
Well, yes, but you gotta make sure you get your Apostles' Creed, your Glory Bees in Latin, if you can, like before the Second Vatican Council.
Oh, jeez. I mean, I had no idea.
Not many do. Here, you take this one. A lot of people say they're ready to accept the Big C into their lives, but I find that when it comes to spiritual clogs, the holy man can snake any needle to reach the fruit of the Lord and God in heaven.
Yeah.
You don't want to go to hell after all.
I don't. You're right. Well, I mean, thanks, man. I really appreciate you coming here.
Just doing my job.
Yeah. By the way, my toilet is broken. You think you could take a look at that?
Oh, no, I'm not a plumber. I got a guy who can help you with that. Here's his card. Glory be to the Father.
Amen.